Chapter 6 Coordinate Check and Correction. Step 1 Click Component. Check whether the material coordinate and angle are correct. This button can zoom in or out. A virtual material will be displayed here. The yellow dot doesn't represent the polarity of the material and is only used to assist in checking whether the angle is correct. Each time you click Manual, the camera window will move downwards, and you can check whether the coordinates and angles are correct. Click Automatic, the camera window will automatically move downwards. Click Finish to stop automatic preview. If you find that the angle is wrong, you can modify it directly in the coordinate list and only modify the angle of the current material. The angle is negative when rotated clockwise and positive when rotated counterclockwise. The material rotates 90 degrees counterclockwise. Click Advanced. The designator box can adjust the angle, coordinates, etc. of the current material. The material type box can adjust all components using this material. The panel box can adjust all the materials of each panel. The All box can adjust all materials of the entire PCB. Move Spec can quickly move materials to a specified location. Select the components to be moved. Enter the number of rows to be adjusted. Click Move. Move Up and Move Down can move the current component up or down one row. Add means adding a new component to the coordinate list. Delete means deleting components that do not need to be mounted. The search box allows you to enter relevant parameters, such as designator, footprint, etc., to quickly find related components. After the coordinates, angles and other information are determined, click Save.